Ranked fourth, Manatee County has become one of the highest in the state for COVID-19 cases in long-term care centers.
Between 90 and 100 of our fatalities were connected to these facilities.
13 of Manatee County's 31 COVID-19 deaths were in places such as nursing homes, rehab centers, and assisted living.
You could have a staff member who's not symptomatic, and it can go and it could spread throughout the staff and spread to the residents.
In the spotlight, these 8. The state's incident management team has tested staff and patients, with the county health department issuing involuntary quarantine to certain employees. The National Guard, organized by Governor Ron DeSantis, is expected to come this week for additional testing.
We have and continue to support the idea of transparency when it comes to communication between family members.
Kristen Knapp is the director of communications with Florida Healthcare Association. They represent more than 82% of the state's long-term facilities. She says there's problems with the list Governor DeSantis released.
We'd like to work with the governor. We'd like to work with our state officials on producing a list that is more consumer friendly. Provides more value.
She says there's at least 20 facilities statewide that have no cases or some sort of discrepancy. She says the list, which dates back to March 2nd, is outdated because it doesn't account for facilities which have since been cleared of COVID-19.
It doesn't necessarily reflect the current point in time today.
What is certain? These numbers show the reality. Some of the most vulnerable are at risk right where they live. In Manatee County, Kimberly Quizon, Fox 13 News.
All right, Kim, thanks. And another drive-through test site for COVID-19 has just come online. It's the first one actually in Lake.